Get to the end of the bed, both of you, now. What did I say to you? I said no retaliation, you fucking moron.
What are you talking about?
You really do think I'm stupid, don't you?
No, I don't.
Do you think you're the first tough guy to walk through these halls? Think you're the first guy to ever lay a beat down on somebody?
Probably not.
Well, I know I'm not your first CO, so let's go, you and me.
Yo, he didn't fucking do anything. Chill.
Shut your mouth.
Don't do that again.
Don't do what again?
Don't fucking do that again.
Well, let's go. Come on, throw down.